Today's video is going to be on how to paint your whims or restore your factory Trans Am honeycomb whims. We are using this. This is gold is the color of this. Here's the part number, just in case you guys like the color enough to get it on your own. And this is about 16 something a can. You can get it from Summit. As you can see, here's 2 whims already been done. They turned out great. And now I'm going to show you how to do it yourself. It will need to be sanded. So what we did to this whim, this is the honeycomb, we are sanding in here and we are sanding the outer edge with 400 going up to 600 to 800 and then polishing. Just this upper part here, not down in here, just this part. And then we will mask the top layer off and just paint the inside parts gold. Depending on your wheel style will depend on how you do this process, but it's basically, once you understand the steps, works out the same. We done did the 400 step to this and went over it with 600. We are now on 800. We are going around just the top part here with 800. Once we get that, we are going to use a scuffing pad or sandpaper. It just depends on what you prefer, but a scuffing pad gets in here better. And scuff the insides of these. They kind of a hard casting, so you need to scrub them pretty good. Now they will have some dark places. You ain't gonna get that off no matter how much cleaning you do to it. So just scuff them the best you can. Once you get your wheel sanded and degreased, you can go ahead and mask it if anything you want masked and not painted. Now once you get it masked, you can go ahead and take paper and mask around your wheel edge. Or you can take your tires completely off. We are not painting the lip of this tire, so we can just use it as a place to lay your paper. Next step is make sure you get no overspray on your tire if your tire is staying on the wheel. So we went ahead and masked the tire off. Now you can go ahead and shake the can and spray. You got 2 nozzles. One's a pinpoint nozzle and one's a steady kind of normal spray pattern. Okay, once you get your wheel sprayed, you pretty much want to give it the proper drying time. And you can do a heavy coat, but I recommend a couple light coats like it says on the can. But it's up to you. If you put heavy coats on it, you can run the paint, and this paint does got metallic in it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it does got metallic in it, and you can make a metallic run and other stuff. So it just depends on you. But once it dries, you can go ahead and unmask it. Okay, this is the wheel after it's all finished. It turned out great. Now you can get the paint, the factory wheel coating at Summit. It's about $16.99 a can, and it turned out great. You do get what you pay for, and this is some pretty good stuff. As you can see from the video. Now if you enjoyed the video, be sure to drop a like, leave a comment if you want to, and until the next video, I'll see you then.